and guess what day it is? Welcome back everybody, and guess what day it is? Today is Wednesday and I'm on the chairlift, or the Arpettes, in St. Foy, and it's absolutely stunning. I just love St. Foy for the trees, the quiet, great place for off-piste skiing as well. And today we've got a very special friend of mine and also business owner of All That Ski, Julian. Hi Julian.
Hi Flo.
Welcome to Chairlift Chat Wednesday.
Thank you for inviting me. It's very kind of you.
So Julian is the owner of All That Ski. So it specialises in winter and summer holidays, catered chalets and apartments here in the Tarentaise. So not only in St. Foy, but you've also got some places in Teen.
We've got two chalets, two 6-bed chalets in Teen as well. Yeah, in La Brevia, which is my favourite part of Teen.
Yeah. Oh, I love La Brevia with the trees and everything as well. Excellent. And as long as the lifts are open, I will be bringing you video of someone on the chairlift, and we're having a chat, and it can be anything from fitness to ski techniques, tips, powder, you name it. So keep your eyes peeled to Chairlift Chat Wednesday. Now we've done a few Chairlift Chat Wednesdays, so have a look and check out number 1, who's with Sally, who was talking about smiling, improving your skiing. So check that one up there. Julian was a school teacher and basically gave up his life over in the UK and came over and took on this most amazing business, allthatski.com. So have a look. I'm going to put the links in the description below. So check out the website for summer and winter holidays. And has it always been a dream of yours to, to be in the Alps? And
Yeah, I always used to do the school ski trips and loved, the mountains and yeah, I just wanted a change, and it was the ideal thing. And do it with my son, who is also an avid skier.
Oh, amazing.
It gives us a chance to work together and just do something different in life.
Yeah.
And it's been exciting.
So it's like a family business, and that's what
It's
I
a
really
family
like.
business.
Yeah, and independent. So
yeah, we both
excellent.
have our own sort of roles and bits and bobs and work together, and really enjoy it.
Oh, fantastic. And it's been some tricky times this last few winters.
It's not been easy.
It's not been easy.
Trying to start a business, but you just have to battle on through, and the B word and the C word haven't helped at all, but we're getting there. Yeah.
So it's all about thinking about the box, and Julian's really had to navigate the business around on these difficult times. So amazing. It's so good to ski with you today, Julian.
Yeah, it's great to get out here. I love St. Foy. It's a fantastic resort.
I love St. Foy.
You just come here and just fall in love with the place. It's quiet, it's tranquil, fantastic scenery, trees, with a lovely little bit of snow on them. Yeah, really enjoy it.
Oh, great. Amazing. Thank you so much for Chairlift Chat Wednesday.
My pleasure.
Give us a boom.
Boom.
And we'll see you on next Wednesday. Yeah.